Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today's a fantastic episode because guess what we got, baby? We got some air suspension, boy! I apologize again. I'm sorry I did the boy thing. I'm ashamed. I should be demonetized off YouTube for that. It's just awful. I apologize to my viewers. I'm sorry. We got that airlift performance little manifold going on. Everything else from AirTech took 4 months and 4 days to ship. Forever. We're all heckin' ready to go. Got that there, struts on the side, coffee in the cup. Captain America, Iron Man Civil War cup, best cup ever. Team Iron Man, let's go, baby. You already know what's up. That has nothing to do with the video. So I've already started assembling part of it. I wanted to assemble the driver's side because the passenger side has better lighting for you guys, and I wanted to make sure that I'm doing it right, not gonna be stumbling all over myself. So here's the heckin' plan, or what we've done already, and I'll catch you right up. Really haven't done much at all. All we've done is install the back strut here, kind of set things in place there, and install the front strut. That's all you need to know. This front thing, I just needed to make sure that I had the placement, started running a couple lines, wanted to make sure I knew how to install the struts as easily as possible, and really, aside from that, we got our diagram out on the table right there in the middle of the screen. Boom! And we're just gonna rock and roll with getting this strut, that strut in, wire it up, or put the lines in, then wire it up, then it should be fairly good to go. It's a relatively straightforward process, which is going to be heckin' dope. And then aside from that, I don't really have much else to say other than I should probably get myself in the camera. Too tall. There we go. Oh! Alright, quick update because I kind of did more than just the compressor. So the compressor screwed right in. I blocked off these 2 center holes here because we don't need them. And then I just put the filter on the end here, wired it all up, plumbed it all up, like not like peaches, but mostly like plums. And then put on the drain on the bottom here. We'll route all the wires later. Obviously, this lovely Amazon box is not going to be my trunk setup, so letting it sit as is, and all the hoses are kind of extra long at this moment. So the plan next is to go ahead and tackle the wiring. Should be, I don't know, we'll figure it out, but it seems fairly straightforward from what I know. Luckily I have a semi-base background of wiring. For you guys who know that, I did the 1JZ swap, did that myself with wiring, so that's going to come in handy. So pretty much we're just going to start our way wherever we start and work wherever we go. I was going to say we'll start in the back, work our way forward, but honestly, if I need to finish something up front first, we'll go ahead and tackle that. So anyway, let's just go ahead and dive right into the wiring.
I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting stars. I see this life like a swinging vine. Swing my heart across the line. In my face is flashing signs. Seek it out and ye shall find. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. And I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we're told. I feel something so right. Doing the wrong thing. And I feel something so wrong. Doing the right thing. I could lie.
So we have the air suspension installed. I can't really believe, it's weird to say that it's installed. We haven't tested it yet because we're missing one stinking bolt. So you guys see that bolt right there in the middle of the screen that goes on the end of the line? Let me see if I could zoom in a little more for you. Sorry for the shakiness. Just that bolt that's on the end of the line that connects to the strut itself. It shorted me one, so on the opposite side I don't have that bolt in, which is a bummer because I want to pump up the bags, but I can't because I don't want to blow off a line. Until then, we have plenty of wire tucking we can do, so we're going to go ahead and get going on that because I kind of yanked out a whole bunch of the interior to make space for the wire. So what we're going to do is, on this side we have the wiring, we're going to run it underneath the carpet and into the center console that is behind this big old piece. On that to the back, and then everything in the back will be okay because that'll all be covered by this big old piece. And then on the other side we have the air lines that we have run that are going to run along the far side of the passenger of the driver's side, because frankly I didn't know that the ECU connected down in the fender itself. The hole is actually right there. Don't mind the darkness, that's just showing you where it is for general idea. But now we have to run it on that far side. So that's the plan. I'm going to set you guys down. I don't need to explain to you what I set you guys down unless you need explaining what setting you down looks like. So let's get going.
Everything that kills me makes me feel alive. Dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars.
Got the nuts.
I feel your love and I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is our four-letter word. Make that money, watch it burn. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that old. And I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we're told. And I feel something so wrong. Doing the right thing. I could lie, could lie, could lie. Everything that drowns me makes me want to float.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cool. Okay.
Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. I feel your love and I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is our four-letter word. Make that money, watch it burn. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that old. And I don't think the world is sold. I'm just doing what we're told. And I feel something so wrong. Doing the right thing. I could lie, could lie, could lie. counting dollars, we'll be counting stars.
Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I don't even know how to react. That was so cool. Whoa. I just keep looking down at the flares. I mean, obviously they're not that thin at all. I purposely put them high just that way I could adjust the fitment later on, but my goodness, that is nice. Wow. Oh my goodness, it got so high up in the back. I mean, we're gonna lower it about 1 inch because I mean, right now it's actually exactly where it was when we first started, like with the coilovers. The back is gonna clear everything. The front, not as much, but holy Moses. Oh my goodness. I mean, that is so cool. The back, the front needs work. The side skirt needs work. I have it up on planks and that's still scraping the ground. I forgot to do that, but wow, that's so cool. Also looks like nothing scraped when we first went down, so we didn't have any issues with those. I do need to reroute the lines in the front here. I realized they might be in the way when we turn, but I wanted to get it calibrated because it wasn't letting me manually air out before I calibrated. So now that it's calibrated, I'm good to go, but I just need to run the line through the top here and back down below so it's not in the way when I turn. But wow. Whew. My goodness, I am so happy with that right now. Wow. I cannot wait to see this car all together and aired out. That's gonna look so good. Alright, so that's where we're gonna end this video. Next video we're going to be doing, Next video we're going to clean up the suspension, as in we're gonna iron it out to that height that exactly we want. We're gonna clean out the interior with the lines and everything, pretty much route everything that needs to be routed, and then get some nice pictures, and then that should be all for the next one, and then the one after that we'll be doing the nice trunk setup. So anyway, stay tuned, don't forget, do the usual, dislike, unsubscribe, hit in the comments. Bye.